How to open YouTube Studio. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you can use YouTube Studio using the app version or also the web version. If you want to use the application version, simply go to your Play Store and then search for YouTube Studio. This is the application that you would be looking for. Simply install it. Now in order to use it, you will have to do nothing but sign in to your YouTube account that you have a channel in. Now if you want to use it in a browser, simply open your preferred browser and then simply search for Creator Studio YouTube, or you can also search for YouTube Creator Studio, and then this is the one. Simply open it and log in. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.